Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just showing you my two cubes and I'm gonna solve it in no sounds, but if you want me to teach you how to solve any of these cubes, just give me a comments below. Just write at the comments below and I'll try to make one. Okay? And please like and subscribe. So I'm just let me just choose. Okay, we're starting off with this one, and I'm just gonna try to let you see, and I'm gonna stand. Normally, just scramble it. Okay? Now I'm solving it. And next year, I'm just going to assurance. Okay, as you can see, we've all got it done. The 3x3 one. Start. Next year, I'm going to assurance concerts, and I'll make a YouTube video about that and a short. So just like and subscribe. I normally just scrambled it. See, you can see it's just scrambled and things. So I'm solving it. Anyway, this looks quite easy, though. Sorry. So like and subscribe. Today I make and see. Make sure to watch the whale one, which is this. This will blow your mind or something. I just forgot. But just look at that video. It is so great. Actually, I catched a whale. Not catch. Actually, just see. Oopsies, now I'm in big trouble. Okay, I'm not in. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on, just give me one eye. Come on, just give me one eye. Okay. So give me 5. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, just give me... Oh, I forgot one step. Oh, did I do this? I actually forgot. Okay, so I got this. Oh, that's not. So I got this. So we're gonna complete it. It finally gave me an eye. Okay, fine. Then I got the wall. Okay, as you see, we finished the cube. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time, and bye-bye. And these cubes are so great. I just bought a 4x4 one, but I'm still learning how to solve it. So these cubes is the best, I think. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.